Greetings everyone, and today I want to show you the messenger, the She messenger, what was built by our team. So let's go and find it. So here is the icon, and let's go inside. First page, what you can see is our contact list. Unfortunately, on this phone, sometimes I should go to the one-hand mode because the screen is damaged. So here, first what I want to show you is our hints, what we created for the Korean market. The hint is told us about the possibility to block, delete, or make some contact as a favorite. So let's add favorite here, and it's appear on the top. Of course, also we have here add friends possibility. First possibility is invite by deep link, as we call it. So you can share the link and person will receive invitation via email or some other application what you want. And the next one is invitation by QR code. On that moment we make only scanning the QR code, and the entire QR code you should create on the backend and set on some wall or something like that. And the next one is search by She ID. Where we can find the She ID, so you should go inside your account, edit profile, and here you can input your She ID. But unfortunately the backend already doesn't work, so we can't save it. Regarding all icons, the few times ago I clean up all cache and drop all icons, but yesterday I add one more icon and it's saved and it's still working. Also here we have background covers on some persons, but it's not loading yet. What we have inside the other person's account, you can rename it as you want. Of course you can call it, but on that moment we send the message only coming soon, and you can have one-to-one chat with this person. Also you can add favorites more like bulk as you want, and also from here you can delete, but some of them you can delete without the backend response. So here we can only add. Let's go to the chat list. So here is the chat list. Even here we have few saved chat from the past. When we have some conversation with the guys, we share some media, and we in general we use this messenger as our working messenger to discuss some stuff. We have on the right side we have arrow down. Also we can try to send some test message, but it will not send without backend. And first, our killer feature, what we called in that moment, it was a feature what we called blur. So you see the eye on the top of the screen, you put on this eye and your screen is blurred. So for you it's visible what is on your screen, but for some persons who are nearby you, who are trying to look in your phone, it will be very difficult. And as you remember, in the Korea, the Korean women have some issues with that, because in the subway station or something like that, the men's usually looking on their phone and observing what what are they writing or something like that. So at the current moment we don't see this feature on any of the messengers. So also we have here the search. It's of course still working even without backend, so it's only UI searching. And the next one is the chat info. So here you can observe all pictures, all video, all files what you send, all participants, and you can change the name and add some picture from the gallery to this group. So let's take the random one. It don't want to do that. Okay, let's go back. And in the chat list also we have feature what we called folder, and only after a few years the Telegram show us the same feature, but we were released this probably the year before of Telegram. You can name it, you can add more chat here, but unfortunately you can't create it without backend. So you can feel it, but you will not receive response without backend. Here we have QR code. You can scan anything as you want. The standard feature. And let's go to the setting. So here we have the hints about the secret action, and this was our second killer feature what we like the most. We should go to the privacy and security, and here you can see the secret chat. You can change secret action, but let's reset it and let's set from the scratch. You can set, one second, you can set some easy secret action or something like that. Go next. Go next. Action is saved. So what this is the action. If we go back, one second. Yep. If we go back and if you will try to create new chat, you will see only one-to-one and group chat. But when you will make the secret action on the screen, the new option is appear what called the secret chat. And on that moment, if you already have some secret chat, they will appear between they will appear in the list of the chats. So unfortunately now we can't create this without backend because it going through request from the backend. Let's go back. One second. Yeah, and probably the third one killer feature what we have on that moment, we call it instant secret chat. It's working in the one by one chats. You should swipe left, and we send response to the backend, and the backend creating the connection between two phones, the strict connection, the through connection between two phones, and the pop-up is appeared, and in that pop-up you can write, of course you can blur on that pop-up, and you can write any your secret messages and so on, and you can't make the screen of this secret chat and the screenshot of this secret chat. And also you if some of the person will close the app or deblock their phone, the instant secret chat is ended, and the all information inside this chat will be deleted like forever. So in general, that was the all features from our messenger through messenger. And thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoy our presentation. Have a great day.